I'll just pedal a little bit here first. The main contraption is an old ground-driven line spreader, and basically all this is a 90-degree gear, so that it can switch from horizontal to vertical. And then inside is a pair of homemade 12-inch diameter granite millstones that I made. The bottom millstone turns from the shaft, and it's supported underneath by a throwout bearing from a 35 Massey Ferguson tractor. That's basically the thrust bearing underneath it. And then there's 3 adjusting screws on top that push the top millstone down. So the top millstone sits stationary and the bottom millstone turns with my pedal power, and the flour drops off the millstone into the bottom of this stainless steel container, and then there's a rubber paddle that's attached to the bottom of the millstone. I'll turn that. You see there's the rubber paddle that catches the flour that drops down below and sweeps it around and drops it into a hole, and so it can go into a container outside. And then the exercise machine is just something I got at the dumpster. And the main thing is the flywheel originally had a ratchet on it so that you would continue to spin when you stopped the pedals, but I wanted to actually have the flywheel on it to smooth out the whole thing, otherwise you get jerkiness. So I took the ratchet off of it and mounted it solid so that it actually helps pull it as I go back and forth. It makes the whole system work smooth, just like a flywheel on a gasoline engine or whatever. So originally this was a ratchet, so that when you stopped pedaling this would continue to spin, but I made it so that it's actually locked in solid, and that way it helps smooth out the whole thing and makes it a little easier to pedal. So at this rate right now I can probably do about a pound of flour in 4 minutes. At this speed, if I'm used to it, I can do 15-minute stretch without stopping. It probably drops about a quarter of a cup of flour for each revolution, maybe. I've never actually checked it. Hold your hand underneath and check one. How much is there? No, not even that. Maybe just a couple tablespoons each revolution. So this is probably 2-3 minutes of flour. What is there? There might be 2-3 cups there or something.